Publishing today. I'll be taking a food journey for the next couple of weeks. I'll be visiting fine dining restaurants, delis, street vendors. I'll be going to restaurants in malls, the airport, on the plane, you name it. Just trying to find out if it is easy or difficult to find food for vegetarians. So come with me on my food journey as we explore New York City.
My first stop took me to the Grant Lee Adams Airport, where I found places like Grab and Go, the ever-popular Chefette, and Island Grill. But at 2 a.m. in the morning, most places were closed, so I ended up at Subway. It's a multinational fast food restaurant which specializes in submarine sandwiches and wraps. My choice was easy, tuna sub, and boy, did it look good. Layered with tomato, lettuce, cucumber. At 2 a.m., one would think anything would look good, but I am telling you, this sandwich looked inviting, and boy, was it delicious. The bread was freshly baked. I chose the wheat bread to top up on my fiber, but as the slogan suggests, eat fresh. Subways can be found in over 100 countries in the world. If you happen to be near a Subway restaurant, I highly recommend trying them out.